Hi friends, welcome to Swati Surbhi Astro. Hope you all are doing well nowadays. Now, today in this video, we would be discussing about the 2025 predictions for the Pisces zodiac sign people. Pisces natives are known for their dreamy nature, for their imagination, for their pleasure-seeking tendency, and also for their empathy. Pisces can also be very loyal, friendly, adaptable, and emotional kind of people. Now, in general, 2025 seems to be a very mixed year for the Pisces native. The first half of this year can test you on many levels. It can make you understand the importance of time, discipline, and hard work in your life. The second half of the year can be a very significant one with regard to your career. It can make you realize your true potential, and it can also make you aware about your shortcomings. Now, in this video, I have divided the year 2025 into three significant time periods depending upon the major planetary transits of Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. The first period beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025. The second period beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025. And the third period beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025. As we move ahead in this video, I would be telling you what all you can expect in each of these three periods and also what all can be done by you in each of these three periods to make this 2025 a better year for yourself. Hence, do watch this video till the end to gain the maximum information through it. Now, the first period beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025. In this period, Jupiter would be present in your third house, Saturn would be present in your 12th house, Rahu would be present in your first house, and Ketu would be present in your 7th house. On the career front, this can be an average time for you. You can experience boredom and monotony in your work. You can lack the enthusiasm to perform your work-related tasks on time in this period. You can also lack the support and cooperation of others in your work in this period. On the financial front, this again seems to be an average time for you. You can make decent money in this period, but there can be still some sort of dissatisfaction in your mind with regard to your finances. You can also face problems in constructing or even purchasing your own house or vehicle in this period. On the marital front, this seems to be a good time for you, but mostly for those of you who are still unmarried. This is because there are higher chances of your marriage getting fixed in this period. There are also higher chances of you being able to get very good proposals for yourself in this period. On the health front, this is an average time for you. This is because mainly you can have some problem in your head. You can have frequent headache or migraine-like pain in this period. Now, the second period, beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025. For majority of this period, Jupiter would be present in your third house, Saturn would be present in your first house, Rahu would be present in your first house, and Ketu would be present in your seventh house. On the career front, this can be a challenging time for you. You can be required to work much harder in your career for the betterment of it. Your efforts could at times still go in the wrong direction in this period. You can even be misguided by others in this period, and hence you need to be very careful regarding whom you place your trust upon in this period. On the financial front, this seems to be a better time for you. You can save a lot and you can spend less. So there can be a rise in your overall accumulated wealth in this period. On the marital front, this again seems to be a challenging time for you. This is because you may fail to understand your spouse's concern towards you. You can also become very critical of your spouse and can doubt him or her a lot in this period. And this can adversely impact the quality of your married life in this period. On the health front, this again seems to be a slightly challenging time for you. You can neglect your health a lot in this duration. You can experience problems in your knees, feet, and also in your stomach in this period. Now the third period, beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025. In this period, Jupiter would be present in your fourth house, Saturn would be present in your first house, Rahu would be present in your 12th house, and Ketu would be present in your 6th house. On the career front, this seems to be a much better time for you than the previous ones. This is because you can get relief in your work-related difficulties in this period. You can witness better career growth and better career stability in this period. You can even be promoted in your job and can be given additional responsibilities at your place of work. You can become very ambitious and very much career-oriented in this period. On the financial front, this again seems to be a better time for you. There can be gain or purchase of land, property or vehicle by you in this duration. Your own income can also rise because of your promotion in your job in this period. On the marital front, this can be an average time for you. While there can be better coordination between you and your spouse in this period, however, you can still be required to work much harder on the home front, as your spouse as well as your in-laws can expect a lot from you in this duration. On the health front, this seems to be an average time for you with nothing major likely to happen. Now the remedies for the Pisces zodiac sign natives. The first period, beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025. In this period, you should donate black and blue colored clothes to the poor and the needy. You should also feed stray dogs in this period, and you should also try to meditate on a daily basis in this period. Now for the second period, beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025. In this period, you should worship Goddess Durga with full devotion. You should avoid the company of wrong people in this period, and you should also donate a banana every Thursday in this period. Now the third period, beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025. In this period, you should drink milk with saffron mixed in it before going to sleep in the night time. You should wear more of golden colored clothes in this period, and you should also try forgetting the unpleasant things of the past, and you should try living in the present in this period. Okay friends, so this was all in this video. I hope you all liked this video. If you all liked it and gained even some little knowledge through it, then please do share it with your friends and with the other members of your family. And please do subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Swati Surbhi Astro. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of the videos on time. And I would keep putting in more efforts to bring in such more interesting videos for you in the future as well. Thank you.